Hello friends, it's Lisa. I'm back with Marvin Monkey because it's Monday, so we have Monday with Marvin, and today we are going to be making something really gross and cool at the same time. Now I don't know about you and your loved ones at your home, but around here this week we have all been sneezing and coughing because our pollen count is really high. That means all of our seasonal allergies are just making us sneeze and cough. Even our dog Oakley, she's sneezing and coughing too. Everyone has it. So we all have runny noses. So that got me thinking. I thought, Marvin, how about we make something really gross like snot? And of course Marvin was all about it. So today Marvin and I are going to make some snot for you to play with. The clean kind, not the dirty kind that comes out of our nose. So I'm going to put Marvin on the side so that he doesn't get all yucky and nasty. What you will need is you will need a half a cup of boiling water. Now all I did was put it in a mug so that I had a handle, and I put it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes, and that helped get our water boiling. About 3 packets of gelatin, just the unflavored, uncolored kind. I had to look around my store to find it, and I found it in the canning section. So I just want to give you a little tip. If you can't find it with your Jell-O and your puddings, look for your canning section, and it should be right there in your supermarket. You will also need a 1/4 cup of light Karo syrup. Alrighty friends, so I have my boiling water. I just got it out of the microwave. Now I'm going to take my 3 packets of unflavored gelatin, and I'm going to just dump them in all together. Mix it nice and slowly and evenly. Once you get it all mixed, we are just going to let it sit for a few minutes. Let it cool off before we add our corn syrup, because otherwise it will just melt the corn syrup. You won't have snot at all, just some water. Alrighty boys and girls, it's been 5 minutes and you can tell it's still watery. Not much is going on here, just some water. So I am going to add our corn syrup to the mix. And let's see what happens. Oh my goodness, friends, this is kind of gross. Ew! Snot. If you even want to make this more real, you could always add some food coloring. You could use this to play tricks on your friends or your family. It looks so real and so disgusting. I love it. I love it. I hope that you enjoy making some fake snot with your family. Remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn. Marvin and I will see you later. Bye friends. Have fun making some disgustingly cool fake snot. Bye-bye.